Now the next topic is arrangement of atom or molecules in states of matter. We discuss 3 states of matter one by one. Now first one, that is solid. So what is the arrangement of atoms or molecules in solid? Suppose we have a table. When we take atoms or molecules of solid material, so in solid the atoms or molecules are arranged in this way, like these are tightly packed with each other and there is no space between them. If space that is present, that is negligible. If we take 2 molecules from it, so there are 2 molecules, this is the space, this space that is known as intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. And the force of attraction by which the 2 molecules they are held together, that is known as the intermolecular force of attraction. So here the atoms or molecules they are tightly packed with each other and they cannot move in either direction. They have vibrations but very small. The second one, that is the liquid. In liquid, how the atoms or molecules they are placed, here you can see the spaces that is more than solids. If you take the atoms or molecules like this, so there is more space between them. More space between them means there is less force of attraction between the atoms or molecules. The third one, that is the gases. In gases, atoms or molecules they are placed far from each other, and in this the atoms or molecules they can move easily from one place to another place. So here the intermolecular space that is negligible, here more intermolecular space, and here there is more and more intermolecular space than the 2 states of matter, and there is negligible force of attraction between the molecules of gases. So this is the arrangement of atoms or molecules in states of matter. Hope you understood these all the states of matter. Now the next topic is the comparison of solid, liquid and gases. First we discuss different terms which comes in the states of matter. So first one is the intermolecular space. So what is the intermolecular space? Intermolecular space is the space between the 2 atoms or molecules. So what is intermolecular space? Intermolecular space is the space between the two atoms or molecules of different states. The next one is the intermolecular force of attraction. So, what is the force of attraction? Intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction by which the two atoms or molecules, they are held together. In some state of matter, there is strong force of attraction. In some states of matter, there is negligible force of attraction. The third one is the volume. The state of matter have definite volume. When they have definite volume, when the atoms or molecules, they are tightly packed with each other and there is no intermolecular space between them. So in solids, solids have definite volume because they have negligible intermolecular space. The fourth one, that is the rigidity. Rigidity, that is the hardness of any object. So the material rigid, how the material is rigid? When the molecules, they are tightly packed with each other. So which state of matter that is highly rigid? That is solid state. The fifth one, that is the cohesive forces. So these forces are those by which two same type of molecules, they are held together. Like these two molecules are of water, and with the force of attraction they held with each other, that are known as cohesive forces. The sixth one, that is adhesive forces. So these are the forces between two different molecules. Different molecules means, for example, this is the molecule of silica and this is the molecule of water. So the force of attraction by which the both are held together, that is known as the adhesive forces. The next one, that is the Brownian movement. Brownian movement, that is the zigzag movement of any particle. For example, when you take some water and put T particles into it, what happen in the water? T particles that move in random direction. They do not follow the regular pattern. They follow a zigzag pattern. So that is known as the Brownian movement. Brownian movement means zigzag pattern or random movement of particles. The next one is the diffusion. Diffusion means intermixing of two components, like gas. Gas that is diffused rapidly in the environment. Now there is comparison between the three: solid, liquid and gases. So first one is the intermolecular space. In this, there is no intermolecular space between the atoms or molecules of solid state. In this, there is more intermolecular space between the molecules. There is more than both two states. So here is no intermolecular space, here is more than solid state, and in gases more than both the states. The next one is the force of attraction. So here force of attraction, that is more there is less than this, and there is negligible force of attraction or less than both. After this, next one is the rigidity. So it is highly rigid. It is highly rigid. It is less rigid, and it is not rigid. Now the next characteristic is volume and shape. So volume, solid have definite volume. They have also volume, and they have no definite volume. When we talk about shape, they have definite shape. They can take the shape of the container, and here they can also, gases can also take the shape of the container. So this is the comparison of solid, liquid and gases, where we discuss intermolecular space, force of attraction, rigidity, volume and space. Thank you.